back to another markup session. Today is Thursday, July 30th. Yesterday was FOMC, and as we're gonna start on a monthly here. We're currently playing this gap, but I feel like I only want to mark up these two here. So I'm gonna mark up the upper quadrant here, mark it with a 4-point, and I'm gonna mark up the high and make it a 4-point. So these are the monthly levels. But technically we also have this in here, but on the monthly we just have to know that we are in monthly support. That's enough to know. Then 1 week, we essentially tapped in here. Let's see, quadrants. Okay, we didn't hit the CE here, so yeah, but that's you can see that's 500 points. We're not gonna go down there, and we're also not gonna go down here, so I'll keep that for now. We do have these levels here though, actively, so I'll put these in green, put them on 3-point. So that's the weekly busy, and then on the daily we went all the way down there. There's no gaps in here. This looks like relative equal lows, but we will see that. And then there's no cibbies, so we just need to know that we dropped down to the daily. All right, 4 hour finally. Okay, 4 hour, also nothing too interesting. We have a downtrend, obviously, but the next gap to be mitigated is up here. That is 47.50, 47. So I guess we can mark that up. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, but that's it for the 4 hour. Hourly might be more interesting here. Let's see. That's higher. Okay, so we had this busy in here, hourly busy, had the cibby. We inverted that cibby and went up. Obviously we went sideways here, so but the levels are not too clean, but we definitely have this level here. Definitely have this level here, this level here, and then and then the 4 hour gap up here. These would be the upside targets. And the current next busy would be this one. If this candle closes, then we have a new one, which I will mark up at 10 a.m. All right, that's the hourly. Then 15-minute. Okay, that looks, I don't know, kind of weird, to be honest. Let's mark up this one here. So we're currently playing this gap. It's 11:25, 11, 15-minute, and then we have this upper one here as well. And then let's mark up 10 a.m. here. Boom. All right. So there's nothing really clean going on the 15-minute. No clean sell side or anything. That's just been going up. So I don't know. I mean, I could see these relative equal lows probably on the 5-minute here. Let's mark these up real quick. So we could take these out, mitigate the hourly, and then go higher, or we close above the 15-minute, mitigate back into the CE or upper half, and then look for higher prices. I don't know. So for today, I don't know if I can make any predictions. Obviously, higher time frame, monthly, weekly, daily is bullish. 4 hour is bearish. We can mark up trend liquidity. Yeah, it's too far down, but technically it's bearish, but we don't have any resistances in here except for the order block. Hourly is kind of sideways. I don't know. Also no resistances, so, and relative equal highs, I would say. So I don't know. I'm kind of favoring the buy side up here because we do have draws and we do have the higher time frame supports. But the 15-minute, I don't know, it's a bit weird to be honest. We also have no BISs in here. On the 5-minute, we can see these, so maybe I could see something like this playing out, right? As simple as it sounds, we could look for the old daily high up here from yesterday, but that's probably the only thing I will look for. I'm probably not gonna try to short in that. I'll have to see, but I'm probably not gonna try to get in on any shorts here. So I would only be interested in longs further up and maybe into the old daily high or the 15-minute CBCE in here, but that's the only thing. All right, and that's the 1 minute here. So there's a couple of sell side levels in here, definitely, right? So a lot of low resistance liquidity, so we could take that out all the way into the hourly CE, also down here. We'll see what happens. So I'll see you later if I trade. If I don't, I'll probably make a market review later on. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Good luck and good trade.